Let me tell you about my friend Sarah. She slept 9 hours last night, 9 full hours. But when her alarm went off, she felt like she'd been hit by a truck. She dragged herself to work, chugged 3 coffees by noon, and still felt like a zombie. Sound familiar? Here's the thing that nobody talks about. Sleep isn't just about the hours. You can sleep for 10 hours and wake up exhausted, or sleep for 6 and feel amazing. I know because I used to be that person. 8 hours of sleep, but waking up more tired than when I went to bed. And if you're watching this video right now, chances are you're in the same boat. So today, we're going to figure out why you're tired, and more importantly, what you can actually do about it before it ruins your health, your career, or your relationships. Let's dive in. Section 1. The real problem. First, let me hit you with something that might blow your mind. Your body goes through sleep cycles. Each cycle is about 90 minutes long, and within each cycle, you go from light sleep to deep sleep to REM sleep. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you wake up in the middle of deep sleep, you're going to feel like garbage. Doesn't matter if you slept 8 hours. But if you wake up during light sleep, even after just 6 hours, you might feel great. This is why you sometimes feel better on 6 hours than on 9. Your alarm is interrupting you at the wrong time. But that's just one piece of the puzzle. Because the real issue, most of us aren't even getting quality sleep in the first place. Think about last night. Did you scroll through your phone before bed? Watch Netflix until your eyes hurt? Eat dinner at 10 p.m.? Yeah, I thought so. Your body can't just flip a switch and go into deep sleep mode. It needs preparation. It needs routine. And without that, you're basically asking your brain to run a marathon after sitting on the couch all day. It's not going to work. Section 2. The hidden culprits. Let me break down the real reasons you're tired, and I guarantee at least 3 of these apply to you. Number 1. Blue light is destroying your sleep. That phone in your hand, it's telling your brain it's noon. Your brain produces melatonin when it gets dark. That's the sleep hormone. But blue light from screens tricks your brain into thinking the sun is still up. So even though you're in bed, your body isn't ready to sleep. You're just lying there, eyes closed, brain wide awake. I used to do this every single night, scrolling Instagram until midnight, wondering why I couldn't fall asleep. Number 2. You're eating too close to bedtime. Your body can't digest food and get deep sleep at the same time. It has to choose. And guess what? Digestion wins. So that late-night pizza or bowl of cereal, it's keeping you in light sleep all night long. Number 3. Your room isn't actually dark. I'm talking pitch black. No street lights through the curtains. No phone charging light. No digital clock glow. Even the tiniest bit of light can mess with your melatonin production. Think your body doesn't notice that little LED on your TV? Think again. Number 4. You're stressed and you don't even realize it. Your mind is racing with tomorrow's deadlines, last week's embarrassing moment, next month's bills. Your body can't enter deep sleep when it thinks there's a tiger chasing you. And to your brain, stress is stress. Doesn't matter if it's a tiger or a text from your boss. But here's the thing that nobody tells you. Mini cliffhanger. All of this can be fixed. Not in 6 months, not with expensive sleep trackers or medication. Starting tonight. But you need to understand one more thing first. because this is the part that changed everything for me. Section 3. The wake-up window. Remember those 90-minute sleep cycles I mentioned? Here's what you need to do. Count backwards from when you need to wake up in 90-minute increments. Need to wake up at 7 a.m.? Don't go to bed at 11 p.m. and aim for 8 hours. Go to bed at 11:30 p.m. for 7.5 hours, or 10 p.m. for 9 hours. Match the cycles. I started doing this 2 months ago, and the difference is insane. I wake up naturally, sometimes before my alarm. No grogginess, no hitting snooze 5 times. But here's the catch. You need to actually fall asleep at those times, not just get in bed. Which brings me to what you need to start doing today. Section 4. The action plan. Okay, enough theory. Let's talk about what actually works. Step 1. Create a power down routine. 1 hour before bed, no screens. I know, you're already thinking of excuses, but trust me on this. Read a book, take a shower, do some light stretching, journal for 5 minutes. Give your brain permission to shut down. I used to think this was impossible. But after 3 days, it became the best part of my night. Step 2. Fix your eating window. Last meal at least 3 hours before bed. No exceptions for the first 2 weeks. Your body will thank you with actual deep sleep instead of spending all night digesting that burrito. Step 3. Make your room a cave. Blackout curtains. Cover every LED light. Turn off notifications. Your bedroom should be so dark you can't see your hand in front of your face. I put tape over my laptop charging light. Sounds extreme, but it works. Step 4. Temperature matters more than you think. Your room should be cool, like 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit cool. Your body temperature drops when you sleep. If your room is too warm, you're fighting against biology. Hot sleeper? Get a fan. Best $15 I ever spent. Step 5. The Sunday reset. Here's something I learned the hard way. You can't fix your sleep in one night. Pick one Sunday. Go to bed at the same time you plan to every night. Wake up at the same time, even on Saturday. I know that sucks. But your body needs consistency more than it needs those weekend sleep-ins. After 2 weeks of the same schedule, you won't even need an alarm anymore. Section 5. What to expect. Now, let me be real with you. The first 3 nights are gonna be weird. You might not fall asleep right away, and you might wake up at odd times. That's normal. Your body is recalibrating. It's been running on bad sleep for so long, it forgot what good sleep feels like. But around day 4 or 5, you're gonna wake up and actually feel refreshed. Not just okay, actually good. Your focus will be sharper, your mood will be better. That afternoon energy crash? Gone. This happened to me after a week. I walked into my morning class and my friend asked if I started taking vitamins or something. Nope, just finally sleeping right. And here's the bonus nobody talks about. When you sleep better, everything else gets easier. You make better food choices because you're not exhausted and craving sugar. You actually want to exercise. You're more patient with people. It's not magic, it's just what happens when your brain and body actually recover every night. Look, I'm not going to lie and say this is easy. Putting your phone away at 9 p.m. when everyone's texting, skipping that late night snack, going to bed at the same time on Friday night. It feels like you're missing out. But you know what you're actually missing out on? Living your life at full capacity. So here's what I want you to do tonight. Just tonight. Try one thing from this video. Just one. Put your phone in another room an hour before bed, or set your alarm for a 90-minute cycle instead of 8 random hours. See how you feel tomorrow morning, And then come back and let me know in the comments. I want to hear what worked for you, because we're all in this together. Trying to figure out how to feel human again in a world that wants us exhausted and scrolling. You've got this. Now, go get some actual sleep.